You need to do nothing. Your brain need to do nothing. When was last time you sat in silence? No phone, no music, no stimulation. Our brain is so go over stimulated that silence feels so uncomfortable. Mm, there are few moments, seconds of silence. You reflexively pick up your phone. Our definition of resting has become scrolling reels. Mm, a podcast just being stimulated. Your brain needs that nothing. It goes into a creative problem solving space when it has that moment of nothing. This is why some of your best thoughts come up when you're showering or taking a walk, a ride, or before you are about to sleep. I will be the first to tell you it is going to be very uncomfortable, but you don't have to restructure your day around this. You can incorporate in your daily life. If you are traveling in a metro or driving, don't listen to music. Just sit by yourself for a little while at least. If you are going for a walk, keep your phone away. At the end of the day, when you go to the bed, make sure that phone is far away from you as much as possible. Sitting idly and actively choosing to do nothing are the two very different things, and your brain must be quite literally needs to do nothing.